Hi, this is the Ulefone Armor X7 Pro and I'll show you how to install a phone keyboard on this device. So first open the the Play Store application, and in the search pool enter the green Apple keyboard. So now we should get this application, so tap to the install button and wait a couple of seconds. After the installing, you should just tap to open button to open the app. Then click to enable in settings, and near green Apple keyboard click on the switcher. Tap twice to OK and go back. Click to here to switch input methods and switch your current keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. Now the process is finished and let's check our new keyboard look. So we could see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all of the emojis. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.